Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color an ambulance and a hospital.
Let's start drawing.
I start with the ambulance. I draw its wheels. Then I draw the shape of the car. I draw the lamp, the windows, and the siren on the top. Finally, I draw a cross on the side. Now let's draw a hospital. I draw a simple building with a big door and many windows. I draw a cross on the top. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I color the ambulance car. I use yellow and orange for the lamp. I color the windows with light blue. Then I use red here for the cross, and gray. For the siren, I use red and blue. Now we are going to color the hospital. I color the cross with red. I use green. And light blue. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.